How to look a smart person. The first thing you should do is try to look as confident as possible. This is because if you look like a smart person, then other people will consider you as such. The second thing that you should do is learn how to dress smartly. You can do this by getting clothes that are different from those that people wear on a daily basis. There are many ways to look smarter, but few are as effective as wearing glasses. Glasses make the eyes look larger and more serious, which is an instant way to make oneself seem more intelligent. Glasses offer the appearance of being knowledgeable in a certain topic. They also come in frames suited to many different fields of study. The use of glasses in the workplace has skyrocketed over the past 10 years. We are always trying to look smarter than what we are, but sometimes it is all in the way you dress. The first step to make your style more smart is to ditch the t-shirt and wear something that is more formal. But don't think you have to go all out with a three-piece suit. A simple button-up with slacks will suffice. Second, invest in a nice watch that has some sort of function, and finally, put on your best shoes. There is no single way to look smart, because it's subjective. However, there are certain things you can do to make yourself look smarter in certain situations. You can use proper grammar and spelling in your writing. Use words like utilize instead of use. And always use complete sentences, the full stop, when you end a sentence with a question mark or an exclamation point. It will make you sound more intelligent. Don't use words that are unfamiliar to your audience unless it is for a specific word you are using to make a point. It's difficult to know if people are smart or not. A person's intelligence is not always visible on the outside. People who are labeled as smart may not be so bright after all, and the smarter ones might have difficulty in social situations. But there are some ways to tell if you have a smart person sitting in front of you. Most of us would never guess that someone is intelligent just by looking at them, but there are some signs that can give it away. One of the best ways to look smart is to be curious. To be curious about everything, to ask questions, and to take time to reflect on what you are learning.